Hi, I'm Miika. Welcome to Futurice. My role here at Futurice is currently a service lead, but before that I've done lots of stuff. I originally started as a full stack developer. I also worked as a Scrum Master in the project for a while. After that I wound up working as a service lead again. The industries vary a lot. There's logistics, manufacturing, retail. Some are in Finland, some are abroad. The technology stack is also basically all over the place. Almost everything there is, I've at least somewhat worked with. The biggest lesson I've learned during my time at Futurice is dare to try things. New possibilities always come with the possibility of blundering, since that's also a crucial part of learning new things. We shouldn't be afraid of those and usually learn something new on the process. It's been really easy from the start to feel like I belong here. Feels a lot more than just a workplace, which is really important to me. I've made some really good friends during my stay here. If this sounded interesting, you're more than welcome to apply to be part of our team.